Tired of constantly searching for low power mode every time your battery starts to drop? There's a simple solution. You can add low power mode directly to your iPhone's control center, so it's available with just a swipe and a tap. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily place this option right where you need it, within easy reach. To do this, your iPhone needs to be running iOS 18 or later, so make sure your device is updated before continuing. So, let's start by opening the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Right after that, the next step is to tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen, or simply tap and hold on an empty space in the control center to enter edit mode. This allows you to add or remove various shortcuts from the control center. Once you're in edit mode, the next step is to tap on Add a Control at the bottom of the screen. That will open a menu with many options you can add. Look for the low power mode shortcut and tap on it. It should be near the top of the list. If you can't find it, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in low power mode. Once you see it, just tap on it to add it. After adding the shortcut, you can drag it to the desired position in your control center. Now, every time you swipe down from the top right corner, you'll see the low power mode option, and you'll be able to activate it with just one tap. And that's it, friends. That wraps up this quick video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.